In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue in Counter-Strike 2 where your microphone is not working. This is a quick and easy one to fix. You would just need to go through each of these troubleshooting methods to find the solution that works for you. Now, the first thing we need to do is head over to our desktop and come down to the taskbar in the bottom right here and right click on the volume icon and then select Open Volume Mixer. Inside of here, we need to make sure our volume is set to 100%. Make sure you have the correct output and input devices selected. The input device is the important one here, and that's obviously where we have our microphone selected. Then scroll down to the app section, and if you see Counter-Strike or Steam in here, then make sure the volume's set to 100%. Then we can head out of this window and we're going to right click on our volume icon again, and this time come into sound settings. Inside of sound settings, we're going to scroll down to the input section. Once again, make sure your microphone's selected and ensure that your volume's turned up to 100%. Then scroll all the way down to advanced where it says troubleshoot common sound problems and select input devices. Then from the list of devices, select your microphone and then just press next and follow the steps on screen to try and diagnose any problems with your microphone. Next thing we can do is come down into more sound settings, head over to the recording tab, and we need to ensure our microphone is set to the default device. And to do that, just select your microphone and then press this set default button down here. Obviously mine's already set to the default device, so this button's grayed out for me. And you can also try enabling and disabling your microphone just by right clicking on it and selecting disable, and then right clicking on it again and pressing enable. You then need to right click on your microphone and select properties, head over to the levels tab and ensure the volume slider is set to full. Then come over to the advanced tab and we want to disable exclusive mode down here by unchecking these boxes, and then we can press apply and OK to save our changes. You can then close out of these windows, and the next thing we're going to do is actually launch our Steam application. Then come over to Steam in the top left hand corner, inside of settings, then come all the way down to the voice tab. And this one's super important. Inside of voice input device, you need to ensure that you have your microphone selected here. You can even perform a microphone test just to ensure the microphone is working and ensure both the volume sliders are turned up. Then we can close out of this window and head back to your start menu and search for settings and tap on the settings tab. Then come down to privacy and security, scroll all the way down to microphone and ensure that we have microphone access enabled. And also where it says let apps access your microphone, make sure this is toggled to on. We can then close out of this window and we're now going to come over to our library inside of Steam and we're going to launch up Counter-Strike 2. Inside of Counter-Strike, there's just a couple of settings we need to change. So head over to settings in the top left here, inside of audio, and come down to the voice section, and where it says voice/microphone mode, make sure this is set to push to talk. Voice input audio device, you can leave this at default device or you can select your microphone from this list. Then come over to the keyboard and mouse tab, inside of communication options, and down where it says use microphone, we need to set a key on our keyboard that we can press to enable our microphone. This is down to personal preference, but I'm just going to set mine to P, and then we can close out of here and check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, if that's still not working, the very last thing we can do is ensure that our audio drivers are up to date, and you can do this by coming over to the start menu and searching for device manager, then tap on the device manager tab, and inside of here you need to expand this box audio inputs and outputs, find your microphone from the list and right click on it and click on update driver. Then we can just press search automatically for drivers, and as you can see I'm already running the latest driver on my device, so I can head out of these windows. And that's it guys, hopefully by following all of these steps that's now fixed any microphone issues you're having when playing Counter-Strike 2. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.